So check this out. This little tip right here can be the deciding factor of whether or not you're losing weight or you're plateauing and not seeing progress when it comes to the scale. It's so like overlooked, but it's like really important, and that's the oils. Oil is very calorie dense, and what I mean by that is the little amount that you use contains a lot of calories. You can see right here, one serving size of oil is 1 teaspoon, but a little bit more accurate is 14 grams. 14 grams of coconut oil is 130 calories. I'm gonna show you how small 13 grams of oil is. And this is for all oils. It's not just coconut oil. This is avocado oil, canola oil, grapeseed oil, whatever oil you're using. All oils are like really calorie dense. So pay attention to this. That's 14 grams of oil. That right there is 130 calories. That's a lot of calories added to your meal that you're eating. Let's be honest, what most people do, right? You grease the whole thing, just pouring it in there, not taking into account how many calories are in there. All you're thinking about is making it taste good, making sure it's not sticking to the pan, and you're just pouring it away. One meal can be an extra 500 calories just from the oils alone. So I just want to drive that home, make sure that you're paying attention to the amounts that you're using. To be honest, I already use a fourth of that and take those extra calories and then just eat more food. And that'll help you stay fuller longer, that'll help you prevent yourself from overeating because you're not as hungry. And you know, like I said, there's just less oil that you have to take into your body, so keep that in mind. That's important.